Monkey and the Bird. Once upon a time, there lived a naughty monkey named Chottu in a dense forest. Chottu was very naughty and used to jump on trees all day long. He loved eating sweets, fruits, and making new friends. One day, Chotu was roaming in the forest when he heard a very beautiful voice. This voice was so sweet that Chotu stopped there and started listening carefully. This voice was of a hill mina named Geet. Geet was singing in her sweet tune. Chotu thought, oh wow, such a lovely voice. I must make friends with this bird. He slowly moved towards the tree from where the voice was coming. As soon as he reached the tree, he saw the bird Geet sitting on a branch and singing. Chotu got a naughty idea. He stealthily went to the branch, and as soon as Geet finished her song, Chotu quickly caught her. Geet got frightened and started fluttering. Hey, what is this? Leave me! Geet screamed. Chotu started laughing. I just heard your voice. Thought I should catch hold of you and listen to your voice from closer. Geet calmed down a little and said, how can you hold me like this? I am about to fly away. Chotu said, look, you are so cute. Your voice is so sweet. Will you sing songs for me every day? Geet thought. She saw that Chotu was not a bad monkey, just a little naughty. She said, okay, I will sing for you, but you have to let me go. I cannot sing in a cage. Chotu immediately let go of Geet. Geet flew in the air for a while, then came back and sat on the same branch. So, what now, Chotu? Geet smiled and said, now we are friends. You will never catch me, and I will sing new songs for you every day. And from then on, Chotu and Geet became good friends. Chotu no longer tried to catch Geet but instead sat beside her every evening and listened to her sweet songs. The other animals in the forest were also happy to see their friendship. Chotu had learned that it is better to maintain friendship than to catch someone by force. Thank you.